This is Phoenix. She's a 60-foot 0-inch semi-trad narrowboat, and she was built in 2007 by the first owner on a shell from Liverpool. The first owner did have a PCA, so she has full RCD paperwork. She's got a tonneau cover for the aft deck when not in use, and propulsion is by an Isuzu 42 horsepower diesel engine. We'll go and take a look on board. Stepping on board from the aft deck, you can see she is reverse layout with the dinette at the aft. Electrical cupboard is also at the aft, and in there is a Victron multi-plus 1.6 kilowatt inverter charger. There's also a Victron MPPT controller for the 115 watt solar panel. And there are 4 cabin batteries on board, 115 amp hours each. Dinette here does make a double berth, 6'4" by 4 foot. Into the saloon, comfy sofa, 2 sets of side doors, TV, and your solid fuel stove. There's also a Webasto diesel boiler on board which powers or heats your radiators. And into the midships galley, walk-through galley, eye-level oven and grill, microwave, gas hob, laminate worktops, and a stainless steel sink. Into the shower room, off corridor. There's a cassette toilet, wash basin, and a shower cubicle. Hot water is heated by the engine and boiler. You've also got a instantaneous water heater. Moving forwards, bedroom at the fore. Permanent double berth, 6'4" by 4 foot naught. Shelving, storage, and out into the well deck. So we'll just take another walk back through the boat. This is Phoenix. She's not at our base at North Kilworth, she's outlying in Newbury. You will need to make an appointment to view her. Give us a call on 01788 822 115. More details and the full specification can be found on our website. If you visit www.abnb.co.uk.